So hello everyone guys, welcome to my Python tutorial. So now I have created a playlist in my Python tutorial. I have created last three videos on how to set up Python and VS Code and how to output variables and how to variables and variable types, and even I taught how to write variable. Okay, so today in our video we will see some maths in Python. Yeah, in computers also maths will be there. So we have mainly five types, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. You almost see it in common maths. No, modulus is there in the Python, that is which is the remainder of a remainder when you do division. And still there are a lot you can get greater than, equals to, something like that. Okay, so this is what today's video. Make sure you follow along the playlist so that you can understand the concepts. I'll mention the link below the description. Go and check it out there. Okay, so let me create a new file. So this was our last tutorial, how to write variable and output value, and we also learned how what are variable types. Okay, and we have learned how to strings, numbers, booleans, like that. So today is about maths thing. So let me create a new file by clicking on this icon where I am placing the mouse pointer. Let's just say tutorial 3.5. So let me close this. Now, so let me delete this one. Okay, now today we'll do maths operations in Python. This is simple actually. So suppose we want to add numbers. So let's just store two numbers in a variable. Let's just say A as a first number called 6 and B, let's say, to be taken as 10. Now if you want to add this, either you can do print A plus B, or if you are not finding, for understanding purpose, if you are not finding it convenient, you can again you define a new variable called a sum, and then you do A plus B print sum. That was a shortcut as I showed, but if someone asks you in sum, don't do like that. You have to perform like this. Now let us run this code. Why I have written like this? So that it will be clean and understandable, especially for beginners. Let's run this code. See, now we're getting 16. As I told you in my first video of Python only, don't, I mean in variables and variable types, don't include numbers in strings because it becomes a string concatenation. So be careful about this. So make sure you don't put numbers in strings. Okay. So this is what the addition here. Similarly, if I want to do difference, the subtraction, you can do something like A minus B and print difference. Let's run this guy. I do get minus 4. Why? Because 6 minus 10. So whatever order you give, it takes that order only. So if I reverse this guy, so you get obviously 4, not minus 4. Let's see. Yes. So whichever order you're putting, computer takes that order only. It's like normal maths you do. Similarly, if I do product, that is multiplication, product equals to A into B, and print product 8 multiplies 9. What do you get? 60. Obviously you get 60. Okay. And you can get the quotient as well as quotient is to divide by A by B. then print quotient, something like that. I do get the decimal number. Let's just see for any exact number. Let me replace it by 2. Now all the values get actually differed here since I've changed. But as you can see, only while I'm dividing I can get a float because sometimes it can even get quotient can get even a decimal. That's why from before only it's given as this. One more thing I wanted to say that is modulus. It gives you the reminder. Let me revert it back to 10. Okay, now what happens is that let's say if you divide 6 by 10, as I said, you is not exactly divisible. Means it still requires a lot of. In order to make it uh, divisible, we have to. So you get a remainder of 6 because 6 by 10 that is 10 into 0. 0 minus 6 it becomes minus 6 actually. It becomes 4. Now let us see modulus equals to a percent b and print modulus. Now let's just see what happens. Here is 6. Okay, this looks like a simple example. Let me change something that is it is more than 10 actually. So let's just put 16, something like that. Lucky number, maybe. Do I get still 6? Okay. So what happens? 16 you divide by 10. 10 ones are 10. 6 minus 0, 6 remains. Okay, let's just put like somewhere in between 1 to 100. That is, say, 75. What happens? You get 5 as a difference. So what happens? 10 into 70 does 5 only. It becomes 5. That is what one more extra thing in our Python. And you have many things to have greater than you have to comment it out these guys all but we have to slash have greater than lesser than lesser than or equals to greater than or equals to equals and please don't get confused with equals double equals one equals is use it to is used to put a value of variable actually. It's used to put a value of variable, not for comparison. For comparison, you have to put double equals sign. Okay. And you have not equals to, okay. This you will learn more about when we come to logical conditions like that. So that's all maths in this, nothing much is there. Simple as you do a normal maths, that's all. That's all guys for this video. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel and give a thumbs up and click on the notification bell to get the latest updates. Thank you. Bye.